Definitely the flagship activity is the GRU Fellowship, so Grants and Research Enterprise Writing Fellowship. It's a 5-week experience. It's a 5-week experience orienting you to sort of the less well-known strategies around building your own personal research enterprise. We have at least 2 and probably other examples of pre-submission review. It is specifically not a grant writing workshop. It is much more focused on everything that happens in the spaces around getting external funding. So how do you identify and evaluate appropriate projects? How do you manipulate the emotions of the program officer to, get them engaged in your development? How do you use narrative techniques to manipulate the emotions of the review panel? How do you orient yourself as like a sort of in the media expert around your field? It's all of that other stuff. We jump off from the assumption that faculty here are excellent. There are only so many faculty jobs, and you guys have one of them. So we assume that you can write. We assume that you know your field, are an expert in your field. And because, as near as we can tell, there is no other place in academic training or like campus in the country that deals with all this other stuff, that's where we spend all of that time on.